The Polestar 4 is one of the most talked about electric vehicles of 2025, blending futuristic design with high performance and sustainable innovation. As the first production car without a rear window, the Polestar 4 immediately draws attention. Instead of a traditional mirror, it uses a high-definition rear-facing camera to project a live feed onto a digital rear-view mirror. This decision has sparked mixed reactions. Some reviewers appreciate the enhanced rear visibility and panoramic cabin effect, while others remain skeptical, especially considering what might happen if the camera system fails. Performance-wise, the Polestar 4 comes in two main variants. The single-motor, rear-wheel drive model offers about 268 horsepower and a 0 to 60 mph time around 7 seconds. It provides an estimated range of 300 miles under EPA testing, which places it among the most efficient EVs in its class. The dual-motor, all-wheel drive version is the more powerful option, producing over 530 horsepower and reaching 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. It sacrifices a little range for this performance, but with a still respectable estimate of around 270 miles. Fast charging is supported at up to 200 kilowatts, allowing a 10 to 80% charge in roughly 30 minutes, depending on conditions. Inside, the Polestar 4 offers a minimalist yet upscale cabin, featuring sustainable materials like recycled fabrics, vegan leather, and aluminum produced with renewable energy. A large 15.4-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, running Android Automotive OS with built-in Google Maps, Voice Assistant, and Apple CarPlay compatibility. Reviewers generally praise the interface, though a few have reported occasional software bugs or lag. The rear seats offer generous space and reclining functionality, and the absence of a rear window enhances the cabin's airy, futuristic feel. Rear passengers even get their own small screen for climate control and seat adjustments, a luxury touch uncommon at this price point. Handling is sharp and controlled, with a low center of gravity and a suspension setup that favors a sporty ride. However, several reviewers mention the ride can feel firm, particularly on models equipped with the larger wheels or performance pack. This may not appeal to drivers who prioritize comfort over responsiveness. Still, many are impressed with how well the Polestar 4 balances everyday usability with the dynamics of a performance EV. Visibility from the front and sides is excellent, and the cabin feels well insulated from road noise. Critics have noted that the Polestar 4's software still has room for improvement, with a few glitches reported during early drives. There are also concerns about the long-term durability of relying solely on a camera for rear visibility. However, these drawbacks don't overshadow the car's impressive strengths. It presents itself as a serious alternative to more established electric crossovers like the Tesla Model Y or the BMW X, offering comparable range, more distinctive styling, and a greater emphasis on sustainability. Overall, the Polestar 4 is a bold statement for the future of EV design. It's not for everyone, particularly those hesitant about non-traditional features, but it clearly signals where premium electric vehicles are heading, toward innovation, sustainability, and tech-first experiences.